thief? Why are you become thief?
Why would you like to become thief? Hello, what are you doing?
किस टाइम के लिए बिकम thief?
वो देख रही है कि मेरी उम्र निकल गई, तुम्हारी उम्र अभी आई है। तुमसे ज्यादा
Sister, why are you become great thief?
बस यही है सफलता की निशानी।
So you are still selfish and also.
Wait, keep on patience.
Hello, sister.
Whatever
You would like to tell.
I will rotate you. Okay?
Hello, sister. You would like to tell why do you accustomed to write means that topic? Why do you accustomed to write topic name?
Because
Topic.
if my teacher has sent any topic name, so it's my responsibility that we should write.
Hello sister, if you want to speak fluent English, what will you do?
I will do everything. Means that whatever I wanna to do in my
Give me
life.
2 minutes.
In my life.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because it is
let
an
him speak.
international
Let me
language,
speak.
that's why.
Let me
If
Let
I will
me
go
speak.
anywhere,
It is only an international language. It's not any skill.
What? It is a skill.
So how are you saying
When
it is
had I
only an
spoken that
international
it is
language?
not any skill.
What?
When had I spoken that it
Listen.
is not any skill?
Listen, my sister.
It is an
No,
international
only for
and
I
also
had
a
spoken
skill.
that it is an international language.
But
I
also it is
hadn't
also
spoken that
skill.
it
You
is
should-
not any skill.
You should have told about it, but you don't
My
like to
sister.
skill.
No, but you had spoken that it is not any skill.
बीजू बिगड़ जाता है।
ऐसे रख दो।
Hello, Mr. Dheeraj. Let me.
Hello sister, which type would you like to become thief?
Let us wait. He is about to get medal.
First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for
Why you
giving
will
me this
beat me
type of
without
opportunity. So, good morning, my respected teacher and all present here. So, I am going to speak about myself. This is Kriti Saroj from 20 spoken classes. Mr. Manoj Kumar Maji is my father. He is good businessman. Mrs. Suman Devi is my mother. She is good housewife. I am hard worker, quick learner, optic mistake person in my life. That's all about myself. So, I would like to. Yes, speak. Speak. What do you want to speak?
Yeah. How can I say you are hard worker person?
I can say, sister.
How can I believe?
Yeah.
If
You can
now
believe.
you will speak that. Now you will speak that whether you believe or not, I don't care. But
Yes, if you know, so why are you asking? You know,
but you will
you know
have
very
to,
well that
if
I
you,
will speak.
listen.
How can you
if
say
you
that
are
I will
including, if you are
Firstly, tell
including
me
that,
how can you speak that I will speak?
if you are speaking that you are a hard worker, optic mistake person in your life, so how can I believe?
So, what will you do after believing?
What?
What will you
So
do?
how
And
can
why
I
do you want
believe?
to know?
And so why are you speaking?
You shouldn't
And
believe.
why have you
shouldn't
spoken? You
believe.
shouldn't speak.
What's your matter?
Listen.
Where I'm saying to you,
No,
you
no,
should
so
believe.
you
shouldn't
you
believe.
shouldn't have spoken.
Oh
Okay?
my God, I
you
will
shouldn't
speak.
have spoken.
Whatever I
you
want to
shouldn't
speak,
have
I
spoken
will
because
speak. I
you
said
don't
that
know why.
you shouldn't
Listen,
believe.
how can I believe that you are optic mistake person in your life?
If where I'm saying to you, you should believe. You shouldn't
So
believe.
you shouldn't have spoken.
Oh my God, I
If
will
you have
speak.
spoken,
I
so you
will
will have
speak.
to tell that why have you spoken.
I will speak. Whatever
Forward
I
will you speak?
I will
Forward
speak.
you will
That-
speak. Forward
that
will you
in my
speak.
introduction,
Hello,
I will
forward
speak.
will you speak.
If
Dimari, I wanted to know that if you have spoken, so what's the reason and why have you spoken?
Listen,
Oh
do you
my
know how
God,
to
listen,
get him?
if I will
Understand?
speak that my father name is Mr. Manoj Kumar Maji. So
I am not.
you will-
I am not
listen.
asking that what's your
Hello,
father
listen,
name.
firstly
If
listen,
you have
I
spoken
am
that you
giving
are
you
optic
an
mistake
example.
person,
I
so
am
you will
giving
have
you
to tell
an
that why
example.
have you
Firstly,
spoken.
listen.
Not one example, you
I
should
know
give two
you
We
examples.
don't need to any
Because
example.
you do not
Hello.
listen,
We
sister.
we don't need to any example.
I said that you need. That's why you are
No,
speaking
we
this
don't
time.
need. Only for you will have to tell. Listen, that why have you
That's why I'm
spoken.
doing. That's why I'm doing.
What
I
are
said
you
that
doing?
you need
What
an
are you doing?
example. That's why I'm saying to you.
What are you?
Listen.
No, I don't need to any
You are asking
example.
to, hello, you are asking to me that how can I believe, right? So where I'm saying to you, you should believe. If I believe,
No,
speak, my
I am
father
not.
name is-
Listen, if
Listen,
I
if
I had
will
asked
speak
to
that
you,
my father
listen,
name
listen,
is speak, so
listen.
you
I
will
had
speak
asked
that
to you, and you had.
Okay, doesn't matter. Wait. What is English, sister? What is English?
What?
What is English?
is an international.
Only?
Listen, firstly, let me speak. What only?
Only English is international language. English is.
Listen,
Yeah.
English is an international language
Yeah.
along with a
Wait,
skill, along
English
with
is
a
an
subject.
international language. English is an
English is an international
Yeah.
language.
And along with it,
Oh
what?
my God, I'm not speaking from
Listen,
my
sister.
mind.
Wait. Sister, I had asked, not she had asked me.
You are not
So tell me the only English is international language.
Why are you not listening carefully?
No, if you will speak along, then we will listen. Otherwise, how will you listen? You know very well about it.
Firstly, listen.
Yeah.
I have spoken that English is an international language,
Yeah.
along with a subject, along with a skill.
So, in which subject you like more? In which subject?
What?
Nothing. So, in which subject do you like? If I will speak by degrees, then you will get. I know very well about
my
it.
God, you
Yeah,
can speak
yeah.
like
So, in which subject you like most in life? Tell me.
Like
Yeah,
fire.
wait. Because we like to speak, then I will speak. Otherwise, I will speak in front of whole
I don't
person.
care
Yeah.
you
Just
like or
leave
not.
it.
Yeah.
Tell me
Tell-
something about your topic.
My topic is dedication towards
Have you
success.
written your topic?
What?
Would you like to read that?
Yeah, I would like to.
No, now you will not read. First, tell me what I'm asking
Oh
with
my
you.
God, who are you? How can
We
you
are
say
part
that
and
I
parcel of
can-
fluent.
Oh my God.
You don't know about me that why you will ask with me that I will tell.
Speak this time that I cannot read my
No,
topic.
no, this time you cannot read. If your teacher will let you read, then you will read. Otherwise,
So
without
who are
permission,
you?
you cannot
Who are
read,
you?
and you should try to do.
Listen.
Without permission, no one can do in fluent.
Hello.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Yeah, after knowing what will you do? In spite of knowing you're asking, we know very well, and along with it, after knowing what will you do? To learn to tell?
Speak this type. Okay.
No, because we know how to speak. That's why we risk it. For otherwise, for you don't
Oh
know
my
what
God.
it.
Why are you speaking?
Why risk it means what is
Why are
it?
you speaking?
Because I know. Because I know. Whatever. Because I know how to speak. That's why you know how to speak.
What is your topic?
No, I know very well about it.
God, tell me.
No, if I will go on there,
Dedication
then I will-
towards
other
success is
people
our
will
topic.
tell you that what is topic name.
Means that you don't know. That's
No,
why you are speaking.
whether you will know, whether you will accept or not, I don't know. Not that I know, that I know not. You will tell me that I will accept that I know not.
If you know, so tell me.
You are what to tell? What should I tell?
I had you. What is this?
No, after going on there, you will ask me that I will.
Listen.
What is your reading?
What do you know?
Listen, sister.
What do you don't hear? You have to hear. Okay, means that you are not speaking about. Oh my God, I'm not.
Why are you fighting?
You have
No one is fighting.
Okay, where I'm saying to you are not speaking.
Where is your topic? Tell me your topic. Hello.
Yes.
Listen. Here is your topic.
Speak one by one. If you will speak or not.
Everyone wait for me.
You should.
Listen.
You should.
One by one. Hello, bro.
Listen.
Archit, आगे जा.
You should tell your topic.
That is why I'm telling.
Where is your topic? Hello.
You are not reading along with me.
You had spoken that you should
Hello,
not
sister. Sister. Wait. My sister, wait. Yeah, sister. Have you dare to speak without looking your topic?
Yeah, I have.
Should you
yeah.
speak something? Only 5 lines.
Your
For
topic.
what
Hello.
should I tell you?
Because I don't know. Because wait, bro.
If you don't know, so you should know.
No, because I want to know by you. Because some time ago you listen. Wait. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Some time ago you had spoken that you don't know. Yeah, suppose that I'm accepting that I don't know. So tell by means of your mouth, not while looking. You will tell. I know that everybody can speak while looking. Without looking, no one can speak whatever. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, tell me. Hello, wait. Yeah. Without looking, you can speak.
Yeah.
Yes, speak. Yes, speak.
For what should I speak? Tell me.
listen. You
Brother,
have spoken
listen.
that it's not your cup of tea that you will
Oh
speak
my
without
God.
Yeah.
How can you say?
I can say by means of our mouth.
How can you say that?
Our
it is
by
not
by
your
means of
cup?
our mouth.
You have also. How can I for what will I? You have also speaking while looking.
Wait. She will tell.
You have spoken to me.
Where is your topic?
Listen.
Hello.
Oh my God. You have. You. Hello. You.
Wait. Sister. Yeah.
Whatever.
We are
Where
going
is
to.
your topic?
Yeah. Wait. We are going to. Wait. We are going to let you speak without looking your topic. Sister would like to tell. We know very well that you have no day. You have no any type of day that you can speak without looking. Have dare to speak. Yeah, you dare. I can speak without. Without looking, I will tell. You should keep on looking. Without looking, I will tell everything about it, about my topic. I will tell. Yeah. Firstly, you should read whatever you are going to read.
Listen.
I will tell. You should tell. If my teacher.
Oh my God.
Brother, don't tell. I know. You don't need to tell. Before I know very well what my topic name.
That's why he's saying.
No, I know. Whether if you will say that I will know by the him, who are he who is he that I will know by the him.
If you have dare, so tell me
Yeah.
one topic name.
Oh, no, sister. Firstly, you should try to read. Yeah, I know. Yeah. You are reading. Forward will I tell. Forward will I tell. If I had asked with you, you had haven't told. If I will ask me, I will tell. I will tell.
Your topic should be
Wait. You had wait.
If you don't know, that's why you are crying.
No,
without
wait.
any reason.
I had asked with
If
you.
know, so tell me.
Wait.
Only ask
You will
me.
listen or not? You will listen or not?
I will
Yeah.
not listen. I
You will not listen because you don't know how to listen. That's why.
You should try to listen everyone and
Yeah.
answer properly.
Yes, sir.
Don't try to fight with each
Sister.
other. Listen. ठीक है, whatever they are asking with you, you have to give
Yes,
their
sir.
answer very properly. Don't try to fight to anyone. ठीक है, जो पूछोगा आंसर दो पहले.
You can tell me your topic. Wait. No, wait.
Let her read her
Wait.
topic.
Only one second. Listen, only 5 minutes. Yeah. Listen. I had asked with you, but you're not telling. You are asking. I will tell.
Yeah.
It is best to tell.
Because you don't know.
It can be done by anyone that he will tell
If
you.
you don't know, that's why you are crying. Without
No,
any
sister.
reason.
It cannot be done by you that you will tell me that I know or not.
I know
What
it
can be done
cannot
by
No. Firstly, you say tell whatever I had asked. I will learn. Then I will listen. What I had asked with you tell.
You have spoken that. Tell me something about dedication towards success.
Yeah. So why not telling?
Because I know because that time.
I know that
time
while looking you will tell. It can be
that
done.
time-
It can be done by anyone that he can speak while looking.
You can speak.
Yeah. While looking, everyone can
I
speak.
am asking without looking.
No. Yeah, I can speak. Wait.
What can you speak?
Firstly, you should read. After reading you, I will tell. If I will not tell, then you will think about me that I don't know about.
I am talking about without looking.
Yeah, the very you are telling.
Without looking.
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
not speaking topic.
Everyone.
Hello,
sister.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, sister. I know how to get understand. Don't get me understand. Don't get me understand. Hello, brother. Your 5 minutes is completed.
Read your topic.
Yeah.
Without looking, he will speak.
Just read your topic. Read your topic. We are longing for listening. And after this, ask to.
My topic name is dedication towards success.
ये देखो कोचिंग सही पा गए ना तो समझ में आता है.
Success is not essential. It is the result of hard work. It is a result of hard work, passion and dedication. Dedication is the driving force that people's dividing towards achieving their goals and realizing their dreams. It is the unwavering commitment to a cause of passions or
Here is camera. You should look.
yeah, I know. Or a vision that sets success people apart from others. Okay, a dedication is not just about putting in extra hours or making a sacrifice. It is about being obsessed with the pursuit of excellence.
What's the meaning of excellent? Tell me.
Excellent. I think that बहुत बढ़िया.
What is
You think?
What do you seem? Tell me. That's
It
exactly
has
tell
been
me.
written by Google. So
Firstly,
don't ask.
let me read.
It has been. Bro, listen proper. It has been written by Google.
Firstly, let me read. After
Yeah.
that, I will read.
Let her read.
We will ask you a question related to your topic. Don't worry.
It is about being focused, motivation and resilient in the face of obstacles to their goals, and they are more likely to pass through difficult learn from failures
देख भी रहे हैं हम.
and
Yes,
stay
sir, each one is looking towards
committed to
goal.
their vision. Vision means drishtikor. I think that anyone doesn't know, and that's why it's not asked.
That's why you're telling. That's why you're telling.
Yes, that's why
Yeah.
I'm
That's what keep on telling. You will tell me whatever I will ask. So yeah.
Why are you interrupting
No,
again
please
and
tell
again?
it every along with my. I think that you are saying along with my teacher.
चुप.
Sir, please.
अरे रुको भाई.
Sir, she is saying to you.
खत्म करने दो स्टेज. खत्म कर भाई, तू खत्म कर.
The power of dedication can be seen
सब
in
लोग
the
तो
lives
पागल ही
of
हो.
success people throughout history.
Throughout.
Yes,
What means that?
Nothing you read.
throughout means Hindi, throughout and throughout history. Dedication is the involving devotion and unwavering efforts towards achieving okay. It is the fundamental dividing force that people individual to strive for excellence and push beyond their limits. Success is any endeavor is rarely achieving without dedication.
Yes.
Yes, when moreover, when one is dedicated their committee themselves fully their objective sacrifice and dedication and staying focused on the less on the head. And this unshakable community foster a strong sense of purpose, motivational individual to overcome obstacles on persevere through challenge.
घबरा गई है
Yes, sir.
समझ में नहीं
That's enough.
Okay, I
Wait,
will speak.
that's enough.
I will speak in Hindi then at last.
That's enough.
Dedication also dreads realization.
गुटबाजी कर लिए
Yes, sir.
देखिए
Enable individual to bounce
मुझसे
back from
पूछा अनन्य नेपाल रुक जाओ अनन्य नेपाल